Welcome to the land of renovation heaven, or is it hell? I am here today because there are some really interesting problems that we're facing today, and I thought I would share with you how we're working around them. Because really, the secret is not never having problems, it's finding ways to work around the problems that you face. So, those of you that have followed me for a while probably know that I am not the tallest of all humans. But for those of you who are new to my channel, I am a whopping 4'11" to be exact, and what is it, 3/4? Something like that. 5 foot-ish.
She's a hobbit.
As my husband and gardening warrior Q say, I'm a hobbit. So basically what that means in real life is all the equipment is specifically not made for people like me. So yesterday we were ripping out all of this drywall and getting ready to do the ceiling, and two problems presented themselves. Problem number one was because this place is so old and so dusty and there's not a ton of ventilation. Well, there wasn't until we took out a window. There's lots of dust and it was not really safe to breathe in here when we were taking out the insulation. And the second is that I need eye protection. If I'm gonna rip out ceiling and especially being this short, I'm gonna be directly under it. That's not safe. So what do? We went to Harbor Freight, we went to Ace Hardware, and all of the safety goggles that they have are these monstrous contraptions that would in no way enhance my safety, because there's gaps at the sides that would be open where all of the debris could still get in. So there would be absolutely no point to me wearing those. So we had to get a little creative. So for the air, we stuck to a KN95 mask, which I have not tried, but as my husband said, it seems silly to spend a lot of money on one of the better quality respirators, knowing that nothing ever fits me. So, okay, this must be the nosy part. We're gonna see if it works while we're on here. Maybe. Okay, so this is currently a no. There's a giant space right here, and then these are too big. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tie a tiny knot in here to make it just a smidge smaller and easier for a person who is not the tallest of humans, like me. And then we'll see how it fits and if I need to do anything with the nose, because the pressure from this might be enough to fix the nosy piece, make it sit better. If not, we will come back to it. Okay, so now we've got the nosy piece. Let's see how this does now. And the answer is definitely better. It sticks a lot closer. It pulls it enough. I'm gonna actually make the knots just a smidge in farther. And I think that will be all I need for this. This is an easy fix and one that isn't too bad.
Which is the opposite of my problem, which is it's too small for my face.
Yeah, too small for James's face, too big for mine. This is a consistent problem. So then what about my eyes? Well, it is November in Indiana. People are no longer swimming in their swimming pools. And guess what was on clearance? Snorkel goggles. So yes, oh shoot, those are really tiny. Oops. Should have maybe tried this before I went live. But what kind of YouTuber does that? That would ruin all the fun for everyone. Everyone involved. Okay, so let's see. We're gonna put this on. Put it over my little weird messy bun. And guess what? My eyes are safe. Once I put it on a little tighter, it's gonna be sealed Let me see. I'm trying to do this by feel because, where's the other one? Okay, that's not actually making it any tighter. James, can you tighten me? So is life. So is life. Did you just, oh. I was like, did you just put a glove on me? That's kinda.
Good.
Yeah.
Is this any tightened or?
Nope. Actually, that was enough for all of it.
Tight.
Nope. So, all right, I'm gonna get up on the ladder. I'm gonna show you how it goes. It looks crazy, but you know what? Sometimes you just gotta do what works.